nanalo po tayo sa fun run, 5K.
Opo.
Oh.
I'll check na. Kita, alamin ko.
Director ng pamamarisan.
Hello po. Ayun, so ang pamamarisan po sa female category, tayo po ang nanalo sa
Yan.
5K champion. At ang nanalo po ay estudyante po ng Mika, FNB.
Mika Mandaluyong, FNB.
If she's watching, nahanap ko yung pangalan niya. Ayun, si Remilyn Celesa.
Yes.
Hi Remilyn!
Yes.
Celesa, congratulations! I'm here sa school mo, Mika.
Yes, congratulations.
5K champ.
Because you continuously improve yung inyong facility and the quality of your training. Pinagmamalaki ko po yung Mika dahil kita nyo naman, di ba, at par with international standards, not just the building, but the equipment. Inutusan mo kami before na mag-inspect ng lahat ng training centers sa Pilipinas, sa sakop namin. And I am proud and I was amazed, when I first stepped foot dito po sa facility ng Mika, because nakita ko po, hindi lang yung kanilang gamit dito for Bukeli, but in all the programs that they offer. FTS, housekeeping is truly impressive as well, and bread and pastry production. So lahat po ng kanilang facilities, world class at may pagmamalaki. And for you to be able to lay your hands and use this equipment, that is something that you can always be proud of. Parang bentahin nyo yan when you market your skills, di ba? Hindi lang yung kakayahan nyo, but you also market the training center kung saan kayo natutunan. So when you sell your products and your services, at on yun, graduate or training mula sa Mika at sisilbi or gumagawa ng produkto at serbisyo. So that is something that you can always be proud of and that you can always market. Ngayon po yung
awarding the releasing of toolkits and issuance of allowance for the most thoroughly trained STEP cookery batch 2.
Be releasing toolkits. Nagbibigay tayo using the STEP, yung Special Training for Employment Program. And we will be giving out to 25 people for this very beautiful program of TESDA, Pamamarisan, and Mika. Good morning, guys.